In this video, you will learn about what is Market Watch, how to use it, and what is the usage of Market Watch.
To see quotes of different pairs, you will look in the Market Watch. If you don't see the Market Watch, what you'll do is click View, come down and click Market Watch, and it should pop up. Now, if you don't see all the currency pairs, then all you have to do is right click inside it and hit Show All, and that will show all of the currency pairs. The first 6 letters are the only things you need to worry about when it says the name. The first 6 is the pair of the currency, such as this one is Euro USD. Now, looking at the price, if you read the price, it is at 1.45356. Now that means for every $1 US, you'll get 1.45356 euros. In the Market Watch, it shows the bid and the ask. The ask is the price that you would buy it at if you were to buy that pair. However, if you were to sell it, you would sell it at the bid price. Now, there's a difference between the bid and the ask, and the difference between the two numbers is known as the spread. And as we can see right now, the spread for the Euro USD is 13 points. Now, you can also look at other things inside of the Market Watch. By right-clicking, you can look at add or remove a grid, look at the time, or even the high and the low. Now, with the high and the low, this, self-explanatory of course, shows the high and the low prices of each pair. Now, if you want data for one currency pair, all you have to do is highlight that pair and go ahead and instead of symbols down here, just click tick chart, and that will show all of the previous ticks for that pair. Also, if there are too many symbols and you don't want to look at them all you have to do is click hide all, and that will hide all of the currency pairs except for the one that is already open, of course. If you would like to add a couple specific ones that you trade most often, then you just right click inside and come down to symbols, and you can just double click any of the symbols that you want to add and just go ahead and hit close, and those will all be in there. Now, if you don't want to do that every time, then you just select the symbols you want. You can right click and go ahead and hit sets and hit save as, and that will save that entire set is exactly how you want it. So you can just come in and open that set, and you would just go ahead and hit save. Now, if you would like to open a new window, then you would just select one of the new ones, right click it and hit chart window, and that will add a new one. And as we can see, we now have 2 windows. However, if you would like to just change one and not add a new one, you just grab the new one that you would like to have and drag it on top of the old one that you don't want to see anymore. As we'll see, this top one goes from Euro USD to the Euro DKK, and that is how you use the Market Watch.